In front of me is Black Shark 5, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. Firstly, go into Settings and tap on Notifications and Control Center. Now tap on App Notifications and select an app from which you don't want to receive notifications from, like Google. As you can see, all notifications from Google are now off, but you can always turn them back on by choosing the same switcher. If you wish to, you can also just tap on one of your apps instead and manage all notifications by clicking on this switcher next to Show Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!